Hi everyone, this is Vidya from Vidya's Kitchen Yummy Cake. Sorry, I'm 10 minutes late. We're going to do one cake here today. Hi Jasmine. Hello. Good afternoon everyone. Hi Samruddhi. Rajeshri. Hi Vaishali. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Sorry, I'm 10 minutes late. Hi Sangeeta. We're going to make one cake here. एक मिनट just check now. अच्छा के लिए I'm fine, lovely. Hi Sonia. हो Hi Pratima. So we are going to do one cake. Tall cake I'm going to do. Hi Poonam. Today is white color, lovely. So we'll make a white cake. I'm just going to cream it, no design. Crumble coat करके रख देंगे. Dazi, hi. Sheetal, hi. Priya. So you all are enjoying my live, right? Hi Anuradha. थोड़ा सा काउंट बढ़ने दो. प्याली का. गोवा से सभी सीट फुल हो गए क्या? कौन सी चाहिए आपको परिणीता? You WhatsApp me. There are some seats available. You can WhatsApp me. Hi ma'am. Tropolite cream use करतात का तुम्ही? हो मी Tropoliteच यूज करते. परिणीता हिंडेकर काय? हिंडलेकर. Please show new design. कहाँ से लाओ रोज न्यू डिजाइन में? लुक फ्रेश एंड स्पार्क. थैंक यू वीना. थैंक यू. हाय डेजी. हाय पारोल. Good afternoon. Now this is now 2 plus cake. So we'll start our cake. Okay, give me 10 minutes. नंदा रक्षाचं झालं का बघ? रक्षाचं झालं नाही ते हे करते. ओके. I'm fine Tanvi. I'm fine. So there are 2 cakes here. I'll just show you. This is one cake here. This is one more. As I have to make a tall cake, so इतना बड़ा height करना है. It is 1.5 kg का केक. ये गनाश हमारा रेडी है. ये क्रीम हमारा रेडी है. ओके. So तो 1 minute. Raksha is little busy. Let her come so we can start. तब तक आप मेरे से बात कर सकते हो. Hi Nisha. Now tomorrow I have a first live class after this COVID lockdown. कल मेरा first class है थाना में. That is a icing technique class. So very energetic. Love your teaching style. Actually liveness is. Thank you Amruta. Thank you so much Amruta Deshpande. Hi ma'am, I'm your online student. I want to know how much flour for half kg cake. You just WhatsApp there. I will reply you there in a group. Your cake designs are awesome. Thank you Rashmi. Thank you. So tomorrow is my first live class in Thane, and the class is full. It's a icing technique class which I'm taking, and on the other day, Wednesday, I have a fondant class that is also full. And again 23rd I'm taking icing because icing के लिए बहुत demand बहुत आ रहा था, तो I'm not taking more than 6-7 students in a batch. तो मैंने वापस से वो क्लास रखा है. उसके बाद 27 I have a cake class and it is already full because I'm taking only 10 students in the batch. So the booking अभी जो चालू है वो 31st October की क्लास की चालू है. तो 31st October I have a cake class again. So those who are interested can WhatsApp and book your seat for that class. And 1st of November I have a fondant class. So वहाँ पे भी seats available है. आप उसके लिए ये 2 class के लिए seats available है. तो you can book your seat fast. Love to watch your video, ma'am. I am Arnav, just 10 years old. How sweet, Arnav. Thank you, dear. We desperately wait for you. Thank you. Hi, ma'am. Without fresh cream, how to make ganache? You can make with milk also, hot milk. Sure, Mamta, I'll be coming live tomorrow also from my class, definitely. As I come always, मेरा कोई भी class होता है मैं live at least 10-15 minutes के लिए live जाती हूँ and I'll show the work what the students do. So of course I'll be coming live tomorrow also. Thank you, Zareen. Thank you so much. Actually, I was so bored because मुझे इतनी आदत है लाइव क्लास की एंड इंटरेक्ट करने की लोगों के साथ, स्टूडेंट्स के साथ. तो आई एम कम्प्लीटली बोर नाउ. दिस इज द 8th month आई कैन से. मार्च में मेरा लास्ट क्लास गोवा और कोल्हापुर करके मैं आई थी. उसके बाद मेरे क्लासेस नहीं हुए थे. And tomorrow I'm going to start finally, and I'm so happy for meeting all the students. So and even Goa I'm going on 4th of November I'm going to Goa. I'll be for 1 week in Goa and all the classes are damn full and all are waiting to meet me, and I am also waiting to meet them all. So I'm very excited. Ma'am, I am interested in 31st. You can WhatsApp me on my number 9699833833 and book your seat fast because already बहुत जल्दी से seats book हो रहे हैं. Yeah. Hi ma'am, how are you? Looking beautiful as always. Thank you, Prathamesh. Thank you, dear. बिना 2 मिनट आना. I'll just start. Then you give it to her. ना, she's making cake. कल के लिए. Already it's 2.9K. मुझे नज़दीक का नहीं दिखता है. When you will come to मराठवाड़ा? चलो today. Sir is there.
No, I will not.
You're not there. Sir is bored of the catching mobiles. So,
I am from Bangladesh, like you so much, really. Like your cakes, decorations.
So the top portion I'm giving a cut here. This is a print cake what I'm going to do on a doll cake. So I think you will learn something new today.
Ma'am, I am waiting for you in Pune.
Pune I will start. Let's see. अभी फिलहाल थाना और गोवा होने दो. So
I am show square finishing cakes.
Definitely, if I get orders, I will definitely show. So you're going to soak the cake nicely because it's a chocolate cake. So chocolate cake को अच्छे से soak करना होता है. Now I'm going to take a cream here. अभी जैसे कि क्लाइंट को थोड़ा कम क्रीम चाहिए, तो हम कम क्रीम भी लगा सकते हैं.
Is this a half kg?
No. Yeah, this cake is half kg sponge what I have made. But मैंने 2 बनाए हैं क्योंकि मुझे 1.5 किलो का केक बनाना है. Okay? तो you cannot mix. इतना बड़ा हाइट नहीं कर सकते हो ना केक में. तो 2 केक को हम 1 केक बनाएंगे. तो ये मैंने क्रीम में गनाश को ऐड कर दिया है. लिया है. So this is your Dutch cream. I always show this so you know. My Dutch cake is quite famous. I don't know, so that's why I get all the orders for Dutch only.
Hi ma'am, I am from Sri Lanka. I always watch you on your videos and like your cakes.
I wish to visit Sri Lanka soon. Let's see कब आएगा वो दिन.
Raigad batch, I will manage everything. Only you have to come and take the batches.
मैं रायगढ़.
Raigad.
रायगढ़ कहाँ है? अलीबाग.
Sir, Raigad district.
Okay, no problem.
I am from Bangladesh. Love your cakes very much.
बांग्लादेश से बहुत लोग हैं ना.
I am from Bangladesh. I love you with your designs. बहुत जन है. My 4-year girl Prisha loves you. Watch.
Hi Tisha. So this way you're going to cover your cake.
हाफ kg ला किती इंचचा टीन
The
घ्यायचा?
same 6x4. 6x4.
Sir, please read the messages also. I am reading. From Rajasthan, Nidhi Solanki.
थोड़ा पड़ा. आज night
I am
में
from Chandrapur. I am from Nepal. Love your voice too much.
Thank you. So this is one cake what I have done here. I'll just crumble coat the cake and keep it. ठीक है, ये केक को मैं अभी फिलहाल सोक नहीं कर रही हूँ. इसे मैं ऐसे ही लेके I'll keep it here. Okay, ये यहाँ ही रखा है, सोक नहीं किया है. I'll take the other cake now.
The fan थोड़ा slow कर. Your husband's voice is more clear than you.
Because you are near.
Yeah. Okay. And
Ma'am, do you take online classes also?
Of course, yes. You just visit my website vidyaskitchenyummycake.com. मेरा वेबसाइट है. आप डायरेक्टली मेरे वेबसाइट पे जाके आप ये क्लास डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो.
Please tell your WhatsApp number. I want to join your Thane class. दो नंबर है.
There are two numbers 9144012345 and 9699833833. The client wants little less cream, so मैं थोड़ा कम क्रीम लगा रही हूँ.
Hi ma'am, 150 orders done. तुमचा video बघून.
हाँ?
150 orders are done. Watching your live.
अरे ये मेरा सुकून नहीं किया. ये मैं रख रही हूँ यहाँ पे. To keep on adding this, ना?
Extremely sorry to say disturb you. Please say hi to my 2 years girl Arvi. She
Hi,
wants.
Arvi.
Ma'am, how are you?
I'm all good. Very excited for tomorrow's class actually to meet students lively. I'm very happy to meet everyone now.
Ma'am, please.
Coming live
Ma'am,
tomorrow.
please keep icing technique on weekends.
Weekends है ना अपनी आइसिंग टेक्निक है.
Basic to advanced.
I will अभी सब चालू होने हुआ है तो मैं करूँगी of course.
Ma'am, please come to Chembur. मेरा ladies gym है. I will manage everything.
Sure. So you can see the cake का height अच्छा सा बड़ा है, पर इससे और थोड़ा बड़ा है.
Ma'am, your eyes are very beautiful. My baby says, I love eyes of Vidya aunty.
Thank you.
बाप रे. लहान मुलांचंच किती आहे.
Kids are more watching me. How many are live now?
4.7.
So now I'm going to see for kids now. Okay, बच्चे देख रहे हैं ना? Dun, dun, dun. Mickey Mouse. Yes, I'm going to make this cake. I'm just seeing the height. Now you can see in the cake I have to make stand here. So this much height I need more. तो इतना हाइट होता नहीं है एक्चुअली.
मॅम इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज टेक क्लास इन ठाणे. ठाण्यातच आहे ना.
ठाण्यामध्येच आहे मी. माय क्लासेस आर देअर इन ठाणे ओनली.
का आवडे स्ट्रॉ असतो.
कुठे सांग मला.
पाठीमागे आहेत तिकडे.
कशामध्ये?
आत आहेत तिकडे.
ह्याच्यामध्ये.
एकदम खाली असते.
So our last layer of the cake. So our cake is done now. Just see. Nice height has come. I'm just giving a crumble coating to our cake from side. कि कहीं गैप्स है तो वो फील हो जाएंगे. See. Nice height. Now from top also I'm going to sew.
Please let online students join your classes.
Which classes?
Practical classes.
Now here this is a straw. I'm going to use a straw here. I'm going to use a straw here. Just one straw is enough to balance your cake because it is not 2-layer cake. That's it. और कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
My son is watching. Please say hi to him. Rishit.
कौन?
Rishit.
Rishit.
R.
Rishit. Hi Rishit. Okay. Now this.
Online classes are same as offline classes.
थोड़ा फर्क होगा ना. भी इंटरैक्ट ना. ऑनलाइन भी मेरे बहुत अच्छे हैं. And online class you can watch for 7 days ना. So वो डिफरेंस है. ऑफलाइन में एक ही दिन का क्लास है. पर you can clear all your doubts front of me. And थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल भी होता है मेरे सामने. तो वो डिफरेंस आता है. So this is your crumble coated cake. Just see properly crumble coat. See the height of the cake. Now I am going to make a white cake because हमारा पूरा केक white है. So I am going to cover the cake with completely. The cake will be white. I am using Chocolate cream here. A liquid. See, it's a liquid, but it's very chilled. watt की हीटर है फुल स्पीड पे.
Ma'am, please say hi to my daughter Jia.
Hi all the kids. Hi Jia. Everyone hi.
Please let online students join your live class.
No, that is not possible dear. Okay, now इसको मैं थोड़ा फेंट रही हूँ. स्पैचुला से. And you are going to start from down. Take a clean.
Ma'am, very excited to meet you tomorrow.
Me too.
How much premix is used for half kg? Half kg premix.
finishing is done. Just take a scrubber. Give a level.
I am from Pakistan. Can you give online classes?
Yes. Just WhatsApp me. There are many of them from Pakistan doing my class.
I am from Sri Lanka. Like the program.
Program episode चल रहा है. असं तर काय नाव आहे? सांस भी कभी होती ऐसे. काय नाव ठेवायचं?
Episode ला.
See, now it's done. You can see. Hello? Mango. Mango. See, nicely done. Nicely the finishing is done. Top straight. Just see, cake is ready. Just show the height.
Did you join 2 cakes? कधी कसं काय बघतो?
Yes, we did 2 cakes. I think you have joined right now. You just watch my video again, so you'll come to know how I did this cake. Okay?
Mansi Sia is telling, I WhatsApp you for the classes, but there is no reply.
Which number? There are 2 numbers, 9699833833 and 9144012345. These are only my numbers. So just send hi then.
ती किती वेळा क्वेश्चन विचारते सारखं सारखं? एकच क्वेश्चन 10 वेळा विचारते ती. ते डिड यू जॉईन 2 केक्स? डिड यू जॉईन 2 केक्स?
Yeah, I joined 2 cakes. See?
Hello ma'am, thank you for teaching us yummy cakes by profession. I am a teacher, but because of learning cake from you online, now I became a baker. All thanks to you. God bless you.
So this is our pound cake ready here. Now I'll just show you.
Hi ma'am, your work is so neat and clean.
Now this is a print.
थोड़ा भी डालो. So, where is Binoy sir?
What happened?
So this is the print what I'm going to use.
Best oven, please. Which is the best oven?
Microwave, OTG, go for Morphe. And so I'm giving a perfect cut to this print here.
Now it's 5.9K.
Oh wow. It's very delicate. You have
Ma'am,
to
can
handle-
you please show how to pack the tall cakes?
How to?
Pack, I mean,
Okay. Okay, I'll show you.
$6K.
My God. देख तू तेरा आवाज सुन के लोग बढ़ते हैं. So this is the way I have cut it.
Which printer you use to, please show them, ma'am.
एक मिनट first let me finish my work.
We don't use any printer.
Now ये मैं उल्टा कर रही हूँ. Just see because this is very soft because it's a sugar print. ये print है. Okay, ये sugar print है. You can give even accurate. तो कभी कभी गलती होती है तो I'm not trying to give एकदम accurate. थोड़ा सा accuracy करूँगी. Okay. Now I'm keeping this ulta. And this is our chocolate. Only chocolate.
Sir, please help ma'am to make practical class live.
And I'm putting chocolate here.
Yes, Archana, thank you. Hi ma'am, photo print is cracks hoto.
See, print is very delicate actually. See, I'm putting chocolate. थोड़ा सा आप यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. मैं बताती हूँ आप लोगों को. 1 minute. Don't go एकदम से. सिर्फ बीच में करो. No problem. Just like that way. Okay. And keep this in a fridge for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes भी नहीं. 2 मिनट के लिए ही रखो. ज़्यादा मत रखो नहीं तो वो print पे moisture आ जाएगा. So you have to keep it not more than 2-3 minutes. That's it. उसको टाइम नहीं लगता है.
एडिबल प्रिंटर कितना दिन रख सकते हैं?
You cannot keep. You cannot keep. You have to bring it fresh and make it fresh because वो depends. It is a sugar. तो अगर आप आके रख सकते हो तो उसको moisture पकड़ेगा and वो sticky हो जाएगा and it won't comes out from that plastic. बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश है तभी भी अगर आपको प्रिंट का ऑर्डर आता है नहीं लेना बिकॉज उसमें मॉइस्चर मिलेगा. मतलब आप जैसे ही प्रिंट निकालोगे उसमें मॉइस्चर ही होगा. द प्रिंट विल बी वेरी स्टिकी एंड इट वोंट कम्स एंड योर 200 rupees इज वेस्ट. सो इन रेनी सीजन डोंट गो फॉर प्रिंट केक. नाउ द क्लाइमेट इज गुड यू कैन ब्रिंग बट फ्रेश. यू कैन नॉट स्टोर द प्रिंट. ओके.
Hi Sophia. Someone is asking when you are going to take the physical classes and all.
Yes, I am started from tomorrow. कल से मैं चालू कर रही हूँ. कल Tuesday है and I am going to start my first class live. That is in Thane only. That is icing technique class which is already full. मैंने मेरा पूरा मैंने पेज पे डाला है कि मेरे physical classes क्या क्या है और कहाँ कहाँ seats available है. All the seats are full. अभी फिलहाल सारे seat full है. गोवा के भी सारे seats full हो चुके हैं. I think so 8 तारखेला सोनाली 8 तारखेच्या बॅचला आहे कोण सीट अवेलेबल आहे? 2 जणांची सीट अवेलेबल है. 2 जन का सीट अवेलेबल है गोवा के क्लास के लिए. तो जिनको चाहिए दे कैन व्हाट्सएप मी. ओके, जस्ट शो द पिक्चर.
Can you please reply neutral gel and the glucose gel are same?
No, glucose is completely different. Neutral gel is completely different. न्यूट्रल जेल पाइपिंग जेल के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. अगर आप Amazon पे या कहीं भी ऑनलाइन ढूंढ रहे हो तो यू कैन जस्ट राइट पाइपिंग जेल ऑल्सो एंड इवन बेकर्स विला का आ जाता है तो यू कैन राइट दैट ऑल्सो.
Ma'am, I'm your online class student. At present, I'm doing a cheesecake online classes. It's really amazing classes.
Thank you.
Can you tell what should we take the price of the cheesecake as you have not told the online classes?
Yeah, you
price of
WhatsApp
the.
me. Yeah, WhatsApp करना. You will get the details.
Hi, ma'am. My daughter Anushka loves you watching.
Thank you, Anushka. Love you too, beta.
Please start classes in Borivali. Applying neutral gel on the sheet changes the color of the photo.
You don't have to put water. Don't put water, directly neutral gel डाल देना. बस. आवाज बंद करो. Now this is a 0 number nozzle what I'm taking. Just see, show the nozzles.
Sir, please ask my question. For half kg cake, how much premix is required? Please ask my question. For half kg, how much premix is required?
You can take 300 grams of half kg complete cake if you are going to make. You need 150 grams of premix, oil and water.
Is it compulsory to put chocolate on the back of the print?
Because I am making it standing here, that's why. मैं यहाँ पे stand करने वाली हूँ. अगर आपको यहाँ पे लेटाना है तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
चीज केक प्रैक्टिकल क्लास थाने में कब होगा?
No idea. ये सब क्लासेस अगर आप ऑनलाइन करोगे तो बहुत अच्छा है because you know you get lot of time to see the video. You have 7 days time. आप आराम से वो वीडियो देख सकते हो. मेरा वीडियो चालू करके आप खुद बना सकते हो. तो ऑनलाइन ज्यादा अच्छा है for all this class. And cake, fondant and icing technique class ये प्रैक्टिकली मैं ये 2 ही क्लास में प्रैक्टिकल 3 ही क्लास करने वाली हूँ. रेस्ट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू.
48 लिटर्सच्या ओटीजी मध्ये किती केक बनू शकता?
48. You can make 4 cakes.
Ma'am and sir, please come to Gandhidham, Kutch, Gujarat. Surely we will come, don't worry.
कुठे जायचं?
We have already been there.
Yeah, we already.
My friends are from Gujarat only. From Kutch especially.
So just mix the
Sir, tell ma'am to Kochi, please. Okay.
Kochi.
Cochin. Yeah, Cochin. They are saying.
I'm just making a dots ते झालंय का? म्हणजे आपल्याला dots करायला easy आहे.
Ma'am, please reply the tips to make the cream soaked on the cakes or between the layers. Any chance to come to Hyderabad?
Now Rakshan's favorite place. See now. ये कड़क हो चुका है.
I'm an online student, super teaching, ma'am.
One minute, I'll just wash it.
Hello, sir and ma'am. Hope you all are good and looking fresh in white, ma'am. Online grab place. गरबा प्ले करते हैं क्या? आप गरबा प्ले करते हो मैडम?
No. Just see here. So you can make this stand.
Thank you, Jyoti.
See, there is a gap. If you feel there is a gap here, just see.
Good to see you, Binoyji. Please ask ma'am, where can we get the Preston cake premix?
So that will give you a balance.
Preston किधर मिलेगा पूछ रहा है.
Anywhere you get it, easily available है. Actually.
Okay, now change.
So just a support. See. Now this
Is it necessary to apply chocolate on
it's
the print?
upon you. अगर यहाँ पे मैंने चॉकलेट नहीं किया होता तो ये जो पोर्शन है ये गिर जाता था, तो यहाँ पे मैं ये करने वाली हूँ ताकि इट इज शोइंग दैट इज थर्ड बर्थडे. ओके, एंड नाउ यहाँ पे आई एम गोइंग टू मेक सम.
अय्यो,
नो प्रॉब्लम. ये ऐसी डिजाइन है उस केक पे, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग. इट्स अ फॉन्डन केक बेसिकली. जो क्लाइंट ने मुझे पिक्चर भेजा है वो बेसिकली इट्स अ फॉन्डन केक, बट आई एम मेकिंग दिस समथिंग उनको फिर just see.
please read my message. Hi ma'am, want to learn lot from you. Big fan of yours. Please come to Nasik.
Nasik. Sure, I'll try. Just making colorful.
मैम आप कौन से कलर्स यूज करते हो?
It's a color smith. Sorry,
कलर स्प्लैश.
color splash color. This is basically all balls we are going to use.
How much pound is this?
This is pound. I don't know now, but
Almost 3 pound होगा ना?
1 pound is
3 pound ना? हाँ.
yeah. मोठे केजीच आपल्याला डोक्यात येतं ना.
डबल कर देना.
See, just see. These
Ma'am,
are
now further,
edible.
are you conducting icing technique class offline?
ये ऊपर वाले.
हाँ.
इथे 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 बघा.
Now I'm just giving a cut here. So because I want a very tiny border, so straight cut दिया है मैंने. And you're going to make a soft cream now. I'm going to take a soft cream. एकदम से स्टिफ क्रीम नहीं लेना है, सॉफ्ट क्रीम लेना है. See, the cream is already soft. I'm going to give a very tiny border with this. See, just see, yeah. So your finishing will look very good. See, and your cake look complete. Even on the top also, you can give a border. Actually, जरूरत नहीं है, है ना? No need of border on top. I think so. It's looking much better. So this is your cake. If you want, you can put neutral gel. Directly neutral gel डालना है. पानी बिल्कुल भी नहीं डालना है. This is a neutral gel here. Directly you are supposed to take a neutral gel. पानी नहीं डालना है. इकडे दाखव रक्षा. हे बघ. हे. पानी नहीं डालना है. You just have to
Ma'am, thank you for sharing this video.
See, now you get a nice shine on your print. Just see, now the cake is ready. Looking nice, na? So what do you think about this cake? Is it nice? It's a colorful cake for a boy who is turning 3 today. So the Mickey Mouse is pointing that today is third birthday. ते बर्थडेचं पण एक हे दे ना, टॉपर दे ना. आपण आणलेलं ना त्या बॉक्समध्ये रक्षा, बॉक्समध्येच कुठेतरी आहे. बघ त्याच्यात आहे का, दिसेल वरतीच तुला. आय थिंक तिकडेच आहे. This is a topper. You can put topper also here if you want. See. Now hope this cake is looking very pretty. 3rd birthday. Yeah, there are some people who didn't like the cake. I'm so sorry कि आपको मेरा केक अच्छा नहीं लगा. See, I actually showed you the technique to make a tall cake, and if you want to put this type of print, standing print, so how you are going to use. This was the motto to go live today. So जिनको अच्छा नहीं लगा, I'm really sorry for that. अक्षर लगे सर फ्रिज मध्ये ठेवून द्या. So I'm really sorry that आपको नहीं अच्छा लगा. But the technique जो मैंने बताई है. Hi dear Christina, how are you? Christina, she is not Christina. She is my assistant Raksha. Hi Raksha, after a long time, how are you? Usha Punit, Raksha. What can be used instead of hazelnut in center or Ferrero Rocher? You can do anything, you can use. Ma'am, why you apply neutral gel on Mickey Mouse? Because to get a shine and your print will be safe. अगर आप फ्रिज में डालोगे तो मे बी उसमें बबल्स आ सकते हैं, एयर बबल्स आ सकते हैं, तो इसके लिए न्यूट्रल जेल डालने से योर प्रिंट इज सेफ. So hope you all like the cake. And tomorrow I have an icing technique class. I'll be going live tomorrow from my class also. So you will come to know what we are doing, what we are learning in that class. And Goa classes are already full. There are only 2 seats available for cake class. Fondant class is also full. Fondant पण full आहे ना? किती झाले? म्हणजे 1 seat आहे ना available. 1 seat is available for Goa for fondant, and 2 seats available for cake on 8th for fondant for Goa. 1 seat है ना? It's pretty, ma'am, like you. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much. So hope you enjoyed the today's live, and learned something from today's live, and try to share the video also. और मेरा YouTube चैनल भी है, आप मेरे YouTube चैनल पे जाके सब्सक्राइब करो, वहाँ पे भी मेरे वीडियोस रहते हैं, तो वहाँ पे भी मैं केक्स के वीडियोस डालती हूँ, तो आपको वहाँ से भी कुछ नया सीखने को मिलेगा, तो आप वहाँ पे भी जा सकते हो. दैट इज़ विद्यास किचन यमी केक यूट्यूब है, एंड माई वेबसाइट इज़ vidyaskitchenyummycake.com. थैंक यू so much. Today's live was very nice. I think so there were 7,000 people live today, and it was great. So please share the video so more people can learn this technique what I taught today. Tin size, Priyanka, it was 6x4. Ma'am, now further are you ma'am conducting ISS class offline? Yes, Sangeeta. Oh ma'am, it's really good. Don't feel bad. Actually, you always make difficult design, and it's simple, so that's why all okay. Ma'am, the cake is too good. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Yes, I don't come live. Yeah, on the same page my live will come, Ankita. I'll be coming live tomorrow. As you and you. Thank you, Sangeeta. Okay, chalo, time to say bye now. See you soon tomorrow now. So, kal milte hain. Happy Navratri to everyone. Thank you. And try to share the video. Thank you everyone. Bye.